Hey, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you about my entrepreneurial journey and how I started at a young age and everything. So without further ado, let's get into this video.
Zombie apocalypse.
It all started when I was 9 years old. I think I was 9, about to turn 10. So I was looking for how to make money online. So I did the normal thing that everybody does when they are trying to make money online. So I browsed Google for websites to make money online. So I found some typing websites, pay to type, pay to click, all the stuff. So I finally found a good site. I'm not sure of the name, but I think it was easytypingjobs.com. So I signed up for that website. I know I feel like 100 captures. I was counting it and I was doing it consistently. So after a long while, I see up to 6 months, I cashed out my first $1 online. And I've never used that money till now. I don't know. I know they sent it to my Payza account. People don't ever use Payza, so I couldn't cash out from Payza, and I don't know the whereabouts of that money. So that's how I earned my first $1 online. So after that, my dad took me for a seminar. And when I went for that seminar, like, everybody was just looking at me. Who is this one? Who is this one? Why are you coming for the seminar? Because everybody there were adults. So in that seminar, I learned about various business opportunities. So the business opportunities that they talked about were forex, e-commerce. I can't remember all the businesses he talked about. The seminar I attended was held by Mr. Michael Akinwale. Sorry if you're watching this, I really appreciate it. I think he talked about cryptocurrency too. So after that seminar, I went into forex and I did well. I even started my own paid course and I got about 5 paid clients who were paying about 10k, though not all of them were paying the 10,000 because some would negotiate. It didn't matter to me anyways because that was huge money. So I did my forex trainings. I was also giving signals. Then after that, I started investing in cryptocurrency and I advanced my knowledge. I went for more trainings and then I started my first store, which I'm going to show you. Guys, I just registered as an Amazon affiliate and I'm going to be using the affiliate links on my new store. I'll change these pictures later and all that. So that's basically it. Let's see how we make this money. That store didn't generate any sales. It was actually an affiliate marketing store and I didn't really know how to do much things on ads. So after that experience, I had to go and learn digital marketing, which I did, and that is what I currently still do, digital marketing. I also did surveys, which took my time, but I still was able to get some money out of the surveys. The name of one of the sites was enrollapp.com. I'm not hiding things here. I'll try to give away value here. So right now what I do is affiliate marketing and product creation. Then as part of the side stuff, I invest in cryptocurrencies. Okay, so I want to appreciate my parents also because all this would not have happened if they did not support me. So I want to appreciate my parents for supporting me in this entrepreneurial journey. So if you all need me to make a video on more videos on making money online, I'll need you to comment "make money online" in the comment section, so I'll release more videos on that. Have a nice day. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't smashed that like button, please smash it and hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Thank you very much for watching.